it recording? Or can you see the video? All right. You just sit in the front seat, yeah. It doesn't matter. I want you to stay in front though. Get in the left lane.
I got blockage up ahead. Changing lane.
Steve, when we make a right, go 50. Oh shit, hold on. There's a cop. Stay here. Go around him and make it right. Okay, this time I'm gonna be recording video. All right, punch it at the light a little bit so Steve can keep up behind us. Let's get in front of this blue truck. All right, get to the right.
And this is very like artsy portrait car guy. Tee-hee!